This is yet another 42-inch Hampton Bay Landmark Plus ceiling fan. This is at our guest house in the laundry room. This is identical to the other two here, which I just made a video of those two. Only this one is not on a slope ceiling, and this is on a shorter down rod. It's from April of 2010 because it has a tag up there saying it is from April 2010. Let's see if I can find it up there for you. Right there, that tag there. Right there, it says April 2010. Okay. There's the motor. Focus. Reversing switch. Got white to oak. This one isn't very dirty because it isn't used very much. Down rod, canopy. Now it's time to demonstrate it, starting with the light. All of the lights in there are CFLs. That's it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna start it on high. This fan is noisy as well, but I think the noisiest landmark that we own is at my house in my dad's TV room. That's the noisiest one we own. This one wobbles a tiny bit. It doesn't wobble as bad as the other two here, but still wobbles a little bit. There's a pretty good, decent amount of air. I'll show you the air movement. You can see it is wobbling a little bit. I don't know why that's not focusing. Wait a minute. Tell this light shade is wobbling a little bit, so yeah. Okay, now I'm going to take it down to medium. It's probably focusing in on the ceiling. That's why it wasn't focusing right now. It's focusing. There we go. There's medium, now low. The buzzing is almost gone, but I can still hear it. This is the second loudest fan. I think the third one is the one in the kitchen here. And the one in the guest room I just made a video of isn't loud at all. Okay. There's that. Now, off. I'll stop the blades. Okay. Yeah, that is yet another 42-inch Hampton Bay Landmark Plus ceiling fan at our guest house in the laundry room. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.